First of all, let's check it quickly. Hold Windows R key on your keyboard. Type Gpedit.msc. Windows cannot find Gpedit.msc. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. Okay, close this. Now open your notepad. I'm just going to right click on here. Go to new, then select text document. Open the notepad. Now what you have to do is to paste this prompt right here. I'll be providing a link to this prompt in the description. Copy exactly as it is and paste it in the notepad. Now go to File, go to Save As. On that file name, you want to give it a name. I'm going to give it Group Policy Fix. You have to change the extension, okay? Change it to BAT. You can give it any name of your choice, but ensure to change it to .bat. Click Save. Close this. Here is the .bat file I just created. Highlight on it, right click on it and run as administrator. Choose yes if you get any notification. So just give it some time to do its thing. It's going to run. Do not close it until it's 100% complete. The operation is completed successfully. In case you encounter any error during this process, restart your PC and run the bat file again. Press any key to continue. Now let's check it out. The issue has been resolved and access to Group Policy Editor has been established. Let me know in the comment section if this works for you. Also, if there is any topic you'd like me to cover, drop it there in the comments. So that's it. Subscribe for more contents like this. Bye for now.